Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, we are actually going to be completing the clear tail lights. We are going to be replacing this red third brake light with this clear chrome LED brake light. But before we actually get into installing the third brake light, I'm going to move the car forward a little bit so I can close the garage, just because it is pretty cold out here today. So I'll give you all a cold start. Alright, so to start this process, the first thing you want to do is remove these two screws to pop the tail light out. So yeah, you only need to take one of the inner tail lights out, whichever one you feel would be easier. So I'm going to take those two screws out and then we'll get in there and see what we got to do. Also, you want to make sure to remove the tail light bulb. I have LED ones, but you want to remove that from the tail light just so you can get in there.
See up there, there are just two bolts holding it in, and then you got the wiring harness.
So you just pull back on this tab and then pull down and the wiring harness will come out. Now we just need to take these two off. And just for y'all's information, the screws inside of here, these two screws are actually 7mm screws. So just use a 7mm socket and take those out.
Purchase your tracks today.
So this is one of the screws. Now we just gotta take out the other one. Now that we got those two screws out, you're literally just gonna push this in and then it'll pop out. So this one's a stock one, and of course this is the one that we're installing. So all the clear taillight pieces have been done and there are no more red pieces. Got the clear tail lights, third brake light, and the side markers. It was pretty annoying putting in those two screws. I actually had my dad hold the third brake light forward while I tightened it, and it made it a lot easier because there was just physically no way that I could push it forward and tighten it at the same time. But it's complete and won't have to worry about that anymore. Yeah, if you're gonna install this, I definitely do recommend having a second person just to push the third brake light forward so you can tighten the screw. Another thing that I noticed helped when reinstalling the third brake light is to actually put the screws through the holes like before. Here, I'll show you on the old one just so y'all can see. Alright, so here's what I'm talking about. These little holes right here, whenever I got it, they were a little too tight and it was making it super annoying and super hard to actually tighten while in the car. So I just ended up taking it out and just running the screws through the hole, and it opened it up and made it easier to actually get in there. So yeah, if you're having issues like screwing it in, take it out and run the screws through the hole first. But with that being said, that's pretty much all for this video. The clear taillights are done, and personally I really enjoy how they look. But that's gonna be all for this video, so we'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.